Hey, it's Ruu! In today's video, we are going to make the Cuba Libre. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. To make this drink, we are going to grab these ingredients: rum, Coke, and a lime. 3 items. Alright, it's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a highball glass, a jigger, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, what we're going to do is roll this lime and cut it in half. Cut a wheel here. Grab your glass and fill it with ice. Like this. Get your bottle of rum. Open the bottle. We will be pouring 1.5 ounces of rum into the glass. Now grab your Coke. Open the can. You could pour the Coke all the way to the glass up to here. If not, you can also use the jigger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the jigger and pour 3 ounces of Coke into the glass. Take your lime. Squeeze half a lime into the glass. From here, grab your bar spoon and give the drink a nice stir. And the last step is to garnish. And there you go, my friends, a Cuba Libre. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.